So let's review this really quick. Balsamic glaze? That kind of sounds good, but I don't know. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video of Juice Hungry and Thirsty. My name is Olivia Janelle, and this is a channel where I share all of my favorite recipes and techniques. In today's video, I am cooking, tasting, and reviewing the TikTok viral feta pasta. To be perfectly honest with you, is it really worth it? And I mean, to be like completely honest, there's no way that this can be good. I know what feta cheese tastes like, and I thought to myself, feta cheese pasta? I don't know about that. Feta, tomato do go together, especially with a Greek salad. Okay, but baked, melted? Oh, I'm not too sure about that. Today, I put it to the taste test. Not only will I be cooking it, but of course I have to put my own juice spin on it, and of course I did pair a drink with it. With all that said, let's just get right to it. This recipe is really simple. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil to a baking dish. Evenly distribute throughout the entire pan. Cut and slice 1 medium or large shallot. Slice or mince 3 to 4 garlic cloves. Add 1 pound of cherry tomatoes or heirloom tomatoes. I couldn't find these, but that would have been amazing. Move your tomatoes around to ensure that they are evenly coated with olive oil, shallots, and garlic. Then add your feta into the middle of your tomatoes. Add garlic powder, onion salt, and regular salt and pepper to taste. Add to your oven, set at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. Looks so aesthetically pleasing. In a medium pot, boil water for your pasta. I am currently using gluten-free pasta. While we wait for everything to cook, take 2 basil leaves and roll them. Next, chop them. They will make these pretty little ribbons to add to your pasta when finished. And now our tomato feta bake is finally finished. You will know it's finished when the tomatoes blister and your feta cheese is melted. With a spoon or fork, mash your feta cheese, add your pasta, mix, and serve topped with basil. For my thirsty segment, I am making a strawberry and basil martini with tequila. These ingredients are what I had left over from my easy date night video. I will kindly link this in the description box below. And the basil left over from this video as well. Slice the tops of the strawberries and cut them into small pieces. Add 2.5 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Add about 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice and the zest of the lemon. Thoroughly mix. I used a food processor to blend down all of the strawberries to speed up the process. If you do not have a food processor, you can add 1 more tablespoon of sugar, let it sit into the refrigerator for about an hour. Go back and take a fork and smash them all together. If you're using the food processor, pulse them for about 10 seconds. Put into a sealed container and into the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or overnight. Next, let's make this martini. Add 1.5 ounces of your favorite silver tequila, 2 ounces of the strawberry puree that we just made, add the juice of half a lime, the basil we cut earlier, some ice, and shake. Add to a chill martini glass and enjoy. Let's taste this, shall we? And see what I came up with. It's not too bad. It's not what I thought it was going to be. Now, what I will say is, would I make this again? Yes. Will I make it differently? 100% yes. Now, what I would do differently with this recipe is to still use the tomatoes, still use the same process, the shallots, the garlic, the onion powders, garlic powder. I would also add in, as soon as I take it out of the oven, some white wine would be perfect with this. In addition to that, I wish I had some truffles. Some truffles would be great on this. I love garlic and truffles. That is my favorite thing, but I will be coming up with another video on that. So stay tuned. I also think that I could have put this in there for a little bit longer than it was in there for, just so that the cheese itself can melt a little bit more than mine. I personally believe the feta cheese that I was using were a little bit thicker than anybody else's that I've seen on TikTok and on Instagram, etc. So my final thoughts are, would I cook this again? Like tomorrow? No. Cheers. Oh my goodness, this is so good. I'm proud of that. That was pretty good. Not because of the alcohol, but because of the ingredients that I did put into it. That strawberry puree. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and my name is Olivia Janelle, and this is Juice Hungry and Thirsty. As always, I will see you in my next video.